So today I just thought I'd just make a quick video about my potato growing production line, and I start off like this about the beginning of February with just putting one tuber in a little pot like that. So these are they've grown on, take about 10 days to 2 weeks to germinate. Then I pot them on into these bigger containers here, and I start off with Swift because they only take about 75 days, so they're super quick provided they're grown with lots of light and lots of heat. So you should have a nice early crop. I've got just enough Swift here to last me until the Charlottes are ready. So these are Charlottes down here, these are Swift down here, and I've got just enough potatoes on the drive, 4 weeks worth of potatoes, to last me until the Swift are ready. So basically it goes potatoes on the drive from last year, so sort of middle of April, something like that, towards the end of April. Then harvest one of those tubs every week, then Swift until the Charlottes are ready, and then I've got just enough with that, about 2 or 3 weeks contingency, to harvest one tub a week of these potatoes for 120 days, which is how long it takes for the Charlottes that I'm going to start planting next week in the polytunnel to be ready. So that is a quick overview of my potato production line.